It's the first time it's rained since May. Late May. It's not raining terribly hard. Now it's hardly raining at all. Man, I hope it rains a little more than that. That didn't even get the gutters flowing. Here we go. Here we go. It's picking up now. Big drops. I just cut the camera for about 10 seconds. The street is so filthy with dust and debris and leaves. No lightning with this, which is a little interesting. Usually this time of year you would get some lightning. Gutters are starting to drip a little bit now. The street's not even wet, man. Needs to rain harder than this. This is what's been happening. If and when we do finally get rain, it's like this. It's not even enough to wet the ground. This is worse than getting rain, to be honest with you. This is worse than getting a heavy rain anyway. This is just a tease. All right, now it's raining really good. Could still be a little harder, but this is enough to clean the street off and wet the yard. Also getting the gutters flowing, check that out. See, when the water comes off bubbly like that, it means it's pretty dirty, because it's sort of thick and grimy. Still no lightning, but that's all right with me. It's not really a thunderstorm. I'm gonna have to start bringing this light with me more often. It's pretty helpful because it always rains here at night. Mostly rains here at night. So for those of you that were wondering why I don't make weather videos anymore, I don't control the weather, and it just wasn't raining. It just doesn't rain here in the summer. This is very rare. We're lucky. Got a little bit of wind here now. It's been so dry this year that this is the worst the taro has ever looked. Usually by this time of year, it's like 6 feet tall by now and would have a lot more plants. It's down to 2 plants. Part of that is because of the moles ate it. The moles ate the roots. But of the plants that I do have, I've kept them watered, and it's just been too hot and dry for them. Watering with the hose just isn't the same because there's chlorine in it. So while the water from the tap helps the plant, the chlorine hurts the plant. So tap water is not as good as you think. Water's still coming off frothy. I planted these 2 new sage bushes because my camellias died from the heat. I planted these about mid to late June. This is the first time they've gotten any actual rain. There we go. It's really coming down now. Side of our house has got about 1.5 inches of water. It doesn't take much to do that. You got this guy's gutter there, a gutter there, a gutter here, and 2 down there, so it really concentrates the water right here. But I think it's cool. It makes it look like it's flooding, but it's really not. You don't need much rain to get that to happen. I could use all that to exaggerate things, but I'm not gonna. This is going on 5 minutes now. This is a good, long-lasting rain. And because it's nighttime, it won't just all be absorbed and evaporate. The yard will stay wet until the morning. Really surprised about the lightning. Lack thereof. I think this storm's just about done. Getting a little bit more rain. A little surprised by this. I figured we'd have to wait till tomorrow. Well, I guess it is tomorrow. Right now it's about 4 a.m., but you get what I mean. Figured we'd have to wait till tomorrow night to get any more rain. I'm hearing a lot of thunder now, so maybe we'll see some lightning. The thunder is off in the distance. There's a little tree frog right there. It's too dark to see him. It's amazing how the frogs get so active when it rains. You'll see thousands of them out here after a nice rain. There was some lightning. A little more lightning too. This is what we needed right here. A couple nice rounds of heavy rain.